I'm here to tell you, commit to the process and your life will change. And it's gonna get hard, but that don't mean quit, because if you quit, you'll be in the same place you started. You gotta continue to go through. I'm here to tell you, getting rich is hard, staying broke is hard, choose your heart.
With that Lamborghini, the two-seater like I drag. I can put some Poochie on her coochie, yeah, I'm nasty. I've been giving them love on my career, this shit I'm taxing. Don't let that go over your head, let it sink in. Have him chop your dread, let that sink in. Take me in on a check, all I need is a pen. Think I better get rest, have my patience then.
So just so you know, this is Lil Bro right here, alright? That's Lil Bro.
Sal, don't let him get you caught up in that.
Yo, what's the name of that book you just came out with? 50 Cent. That's a good book. That's a good book. I do 8 for like maybe 15 minutes. 3-0. Yeah, 3-0.
That's work.
Yeah, on the hill for an hour. But you know, at first, I damn near was struggling on this shit.
Yeah.
And then doing it every day, you just get better and better.
Yeah.
So now, moving forward, I'm gonna be 3.3 on 6 moving forward. Yeah.
Salute the Lil Bro, man. So you know how like, people be in competitions with you. You already won. They in like secret competitions with you. That's my little guy.
That's Lil Bro right there. Salute the Lil Bro. I always tell him, you're gonna have to show up 3 times more than me in order to beat me. If you don't show up, you can't beat me. So shout out to, that's really big bro, but in here, that's little bro. All right, so I think I did 30 that last one on this. It's all right, I got you. I just want to take care of little bro, that's it. You know what I'm saying? Little bro, man, I got you. Don't worry. Just follow the leader. I got you. Lit?
I think it don't matter, bro. I think you sell yourself.
Yo, how many people you got right now in the register? How many people?
Right now we got 2,000. We'll have like 4,000 by Saturday.
What you running? How much you spending a day?
Right now.
7?
Yeah, I started off 3, then go to 5.
But the ads are good.
Yeah, the ad guy's good, so I was like, fuck it.
But your ads are good too.
Oh yeah. Good
Your
luck.
ads are good. You've been going crazy, boy. 3 miles up the mountain. That shit felt good though. I ain't gonna lie. That was good, man. Tomorrow's Hell Day. Ooh, it's gonna be a good one. You get to see what Hell Day is. It's intense, man. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little mad he's telling us now, because you gotta get mentally prepared for Hell Day. That shit it's tough, but when you get through it, you feel good. When you get through that motherfucker, you feel good. So today's the baby's birthday. Super excited, we're gonna get a cake and cut it for him and just make him feel special. He's 2 years old. It's gonna be a little small birthday party. We could have did one in school, but I didn't want to record it in school, so we kept him home. Yeah, so I got like, I think I have a meeting in like 10 minutes. My calendar is deep. Monday and Tuesdays, I told you. So my calendar look like today. Sheesh. Yeah. I had a meeting this morning at 8, gym 9:15. Yep, look, meeting at 12 with my team and a meeting with Vanessa. Then I got a meeting with Rochelle. Then my team is gonna take these. Sheesh. Let's get it. Hey. What's the problem? I told you that already. Hey, come here. Oh man, it's the birthday boy crying over here. It's the birthday boy. Say thank you. Okay. This is my son Noah. My guy Wes. Looks good. Looks good. You okay? Oh, that's what you see. That's why you smiling, huh? How do you feel? It's your birthday. Yeah, he just turned 2. Today, he's 2 years old.
Nothing but gorillas rhyming bean on they shit crazy.
But we're hiring the COO in the company because it's time to scale and I need somebody to manage the sales team. Our fulfillment process is tight, but now it's a matter of how do we scale with somebody that has other eyes on me besides myself. So, man, as you can see here, even if you come in over here, You have 19 new applications for your job for the COO role on LinkedIn. So I'm gonna go through each of those applications. A lot of my former coworkers applied to work for me, which is crazy. But it just goes to show you how your life could change in a year if you commit to the process, because now I essentially have a 7-figure business, right? And a year ago I was broke. So I'm here to tell you, commit to the process and your life will change. And it's gonna get hard, but that don't mean quit, because if you quit, you'll be in the same place you started. You gotta continue to go through. I'm here to tell you, getting rich is hard, staying broke is hard. Choose your heart. Choose your heart, for real. Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, hello. I didn't know if you were gonna jump on the call. So I literally jumped in because I see you didn't cancel it. No, I jumped on. I just came from the gym, ran, jumped on really fast.
I love it. Well, pleasure to meet you. And is it Jim Mappy?
Jim Mappy, you got it.
Jim Mappy, welcome.
Well, thank you. I'm just looking for the right person, to be honest. I don't necessarily have the time to get on every call. Like, I have a full-time cameraman, which we're pretty much knocking out content. Also, too, I'm a coach in the space. So I coach, I have a mentorship. So I'm constantly building up content to add into the courses. If this is a JJT client, we want to blitz all of our clients, 100%.
When I walk through this bitch, I make a nigga grab his lady. How that nigga went up 10 years with 3 babies. Diamonds in the chain like disco dance like the 80s. Jump inside this year, made Harris County chase.
Plan is, got a meeting with Chase, got a meeting with a financial advisor. So let's see what they talking about. Double this money. Word, let's see. They could double the money, right? That's what it's all about. Let's get it. All right, appreciate it. How we doing? All is well, all is well. Yes, sir. Yeah. Listen, we're out front at Chase. Listen, just ended a great meeting with my relationship manager and also my financial advisor. See, when you deposit a certain amount of money in your account, you become a private client. And when you become a private client, you get a bunch of support, right? So I'm here to tell y'all know y'all thought I was at Chase, right? Y'all thought I was at Chase to get a relationship manager to introduce me to y'all. No, this is more further in my career, bringing also my assets, being able to elevate them for the year. So I was able to give them my goals for the year, and then their job is to come in and double it and come up with an idea on how I can double my money and be able to sit it in the account.
Okay, I walk like money, smell like a chick. I come through this bitch and make a whole loser, bro. Nigga, what you having? Got your net worth on my neck.
Ooh, I hate this. Let's get it.
All the way up and all the way down.
Let me know you're
Set, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
20 more. Let's go. You want it in like this?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
10.
9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 1, 2,
Almost finished, yo.
Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go! Let's go! 9, 16. I will 67.
Let's get it. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it.
I don't like this kind of work.
Let's get it. I went BL2, so the shade under.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's perfect.
Yeah.
I might need to go there.
Yeah, he was
I
cool.
think it'll be done at the top of the year. See if the fix is my issue.
He was cool too. 55. Discount because my man Corey, famous YouTuber Corey SSG. Marcus, I'm gonna take my shirt off. Let him leave his shirt up, and you tell me who looked better. Are you gonna be honest with us?
I ain't looking at two men with no shirt on.
That was good. That was good.
Nothing but gorillas round me, beating on their chest. This shit crazy. They done fucked up a nigga up, they gotta pay me. I been on the road, cutting up on rolling, rocking stages, but still get in that feeling, make us go like Tom Brady. When I walk
About to get Ashley her MacBook Pro. Listen, also she's been looking for these shoes. Guess they in Coach somewhere, one of these stores. I'll pull it up. But she wants these shoes as well, so I just want to make sure, you know, she have a great Christmas. No notification, right?
I'm sorry. She just might. If it's a test I think you can definitely just not send an email receipt. I can print one out for you if that's okay.
Yeah, I just don't want no notification on it.
It's most likely gonna be notified.
Yeah? Hold on, let me make a phone call.
Yeah, go ahead.
Get off my
I
laptop.
would recommend.
She be mad nosy. She was telling me in the text message that came through, somebody wanted to pay me for mentorship yesterday, and she's like, don't let her pay. I'm like, yo, just stay out my phone, please. Yeah. We're gonna go black for her.
That's the one.
And then I'll wait for the M5 shit for the big boy and get the big boy shit for me. It almost looked brown though. Yeah, it almost looks a little brown. But we go M5 black for her. All the new gadgets, it's crazy. We did it. We did it. I got finessed into upgrading this shit all the way up to almost 2,200. But we be all right, this is what it's about. It's all for my son. I'm trying to make sure everybody get a good Christmas, man. It ain't about me. It's about them. It ain't about me. Man, they don't think about me, man. I ain't have a good Christmas since 05, man. Nah. Let me not say that on camera. She gonna be mad with me. Yo, this is Christmas Eve and we still grabbing gifts last minute, y'all. I've always been last minute. You know what my aunt used to say to me? Was it my aunt? Nah, it was my teacher. She said I'm gonna be late to my own funeral. I'm gonna have to go walk to the casket, go lay in the motherfucker, then go. We go and get some sneakers, maybe a sweatsuit or like a Nike Tech suit for the young boy. Not the Nike Tech? I just want to give him something cool. It don't gotta be a Tech. That shit hard. Well, I could get the young boy. What you think? I just feel like this ain't like little kid friendly. Any kid shit? I don't see no kid shit in here. Hey, quick question. What size is these right here? This look like his size. 4.5. Oh, 5, you're right. This shit definitely made my childhood for real. Yo, did y'all know kids with a 5.5, they sneakers come up to $180? That's crazy. 90% of people in America are broke because they fall into this holiday shit. This holiday shit is a scam. And why is Nike shoes for a size 5.5 $180? They going crazy, I'm not gonna lie to you. And it's crazy because the more money I get, the more conscious I am. I'm very conscious because when you get a lot of money, you want to keep it. You want to keep it in your pocket. And what happens is a lot of people who not getting money, they don't care about keeping it because they're okay with being broke. This shit different. No Nike, a size 5.5 kids should be $180. And that mall shouldn't be that packed on Christmas when they could be getting their kids fucking stocks on the shit that people are buying in the mall. This shit is bullshit. And since we work with real estate professionals, what those real estate professionals will help their students get funding so they're able to build the house from the ground up, to be able to purchase the land. Or if it's salon suites, we helping their students with funding so they're able to purchase their first salon suite. We're pivoting for 2026. What we're doing is essentially, we're gonna build out a VSL funnel and we're gonna run ads. where we can pretty much have a team in-house to be able to close these clients, because what we notice is we pay out a lot of money per month. Like even by this month, we paid out almost $98,000. So if we're charging 10% for funding, and you take 2% of the 10%, we're left with 8%, which is 80%. So you're taking 20%, which is more essentially than the 10%.
And if I don't talk to you today, happy holidays. And
happy holidays.
Enjoy your time with your family.
Yes, sir. Happy holidays to you as well.